Hola chicos, aquí estoy yo, tu profe de español, Kate. Hoy vamos a hablar de los verbos de pretérito, verbos irregulares con un cambio de E a I y O a U en la raíz, o sea, stem changing or boot verbs in the past preterite. Vamos. Lo primero que hay que saber es que hay verbos que terminan en AR o ER, o sea, AR and ER ending verbs, such as pensar o correr. Estos tipos de verbos no hay un cambio en el pasado, o sea, any stem changing verbs that are AR or ER ending, that stem change in the present tense, do not have a stem change in the past tense. The key here, lo más importante es la regla número 2, es decir, verbos que terminan en IR, o sea, dormir, sentir, esos verbos that do have a stem change in the present tense, such as dormir, sentir, pedir, okay, verbs that already have a stem change in the present tense are also going to have a stem change in the preterite past tense. So, es decir, verbos que cambian de E a IE, o sea, E to IE stem changing verbs, y E a I, como por ejemplo servir, pedir, and then E to IE would be sentir. Okay, these all have this type of a change, but it's in the present tense. Okay, if that's the case, then they are going to have a change from the E to the I, but only in these two forms. So they're going to have a change in the él, ella, usted, and ellos, ellas, ustedes in the past tense. So this is the present tense here, and then in the past tense, these same types of verbs are going to have this type of change. Let's look at an example. Okay, so este ejemplo de servir, which is in the present tense, an E to I stem change. Okay, yo sirvo, tú sirves, él, ella, usted sirve, nosotros servimos. Remember, boot verb doesn't change. Vosotros servís, ellos, ellas, ustedes sirven. Again, it has the change. In the past tense, you're going to have your same endings as regular verbs. So serví, no stem change. Serviste, no stem change. Okay, el here is where we have an important stem change here. It's not going to be servio, but sirvio with an I. Then nosotros servimos, again, regular preterite IR verb. Vosotros servís. And then again, when we come here to ellos, ellas, ustedes, it's not servieron, but sirvieron. So there's a slight change, one in the spelling and then in the pronunciation. Okay, can you try with the verbs pedir? Remember, with the verbs pedir, preferir, y vestirse. Remember, pedir is an E to I stem change in the present tense. Preferir is an E to IE, and it's going to go in this second here, okay, in the present tense. And vestirse is again E to I stem change. Okay, tú debes haber escrito for él, ella, usted pidió. Y ellos, ellas, ustedes pidieron. Notice here the I change. Preferir es él prefirió, okay, y prefirieron. Y después él se vistió y ellos se vistieron. Okay, the fourth rule here, or the next thing to remember, is that verbs that have an O to UE stem change in the present tense, verbs like dormir y morir, and I really couldn't think of any other ones, so probably just those two. Estos dos have this in the past tense also have a stem changing verb. Remember, they are IR ending verbs that have a stem change in the present tense. And their stem change is going to be O to U, just an O to U, and again, only in the él, ella, usted, and ellos, ellas, ustedes forms. Okay, so mirando este ejemplo, the example of dormir, which again has an O to UE stem change in the present tense, is going to have an O to U stem change in the preterite or past tense. We have yo dormí, regular preterite IR ending. Tú dormiste, regular preterite IR ending. Then here we have él, ella, usted, and here we have our change. Okay, va a ser él, ella, usted, durmió. This O changes to a U. Okay, después nosotros dormimos. Okay, again, totally regular in el pretérito. Vosotros dormís. Sorry, it's all the way up there. Y ellos, ellas, ustedes durmieron. Aquí we have our change again. And then this here is our U. Dormí, and that should be an R-O-N. Durmieron. Ok, puedes practicar con el verbo morir with the same change in the past preterite. Go ahead and pause the video here and then play it when you're ready to check your answers. Ok, muy bien. Debes tener yo morí, totally regular. Tú moriste, again, totally regular. Él, ella, usted murió. Here we have the O that changes to a U. Nosotros morimos, completely regular. Vosotros moristeis. Y finalmente el irregular, ellos, ellas, ustedes murieron. And again, the O there changes to a U. Ok, esto es todo. Gracias por escuchar y nos vemos. Chao.